Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring the cutting-edge world of banking in 2025 with Bank of America's digital card. If you're tired of carrying physical cards or dealing with outdated ATMs, this guide is perfect for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use your digital card at an ATM, making your transactions faster and more secure. So, let's dive right in. First things first, what's a Bank of America digital card? In 2025, it's a virtual debit card accessible through the Bank of America mobile app, designed for seamless integration with modern technology. This means you can handle your money on the go without the hassle of plastic. To get started, ensure you have the latest version of the Bank of America app installed on your smartphone. Open the app and log in securely with your username and password or biometric authentication. Step 1. Once logged in, navigate to the Cards or Wallet section. Here, you'll see your digital card displayed with all the details you need. Step 2. If your ATM supports it, enable NFC, near-field communication, in the app settings. This allows for contactless interactions, which is a game changer in 2025. Step 3. Head to a compatible Bank of America ATM. Look for the contactless symbol. Select the digital card option on the ATM screen. Step 4. Hold your phone near the ATM's reader to connect. You'll be prompted to enter your PIN for verification. Always double-check for accuracy. Step 5. Complete your transaction, like withdrawing cash or checking your balance. The app will confirm everything in real time. A quick tip: always use a secure Wi-Fi network and keep your app updated to protect against fraud. It's all about staying safe in this digital age. And there you have it. Using your Bank of America digital card at an ATM is straightforward and efficient. This feature is a glimpse into the future of banking, saving you time and effort. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.